So the year 2020, I haven't really posted much, and I think it's October. Yeah, it's October, and the year is almost over, and I think the last time I posted was back in maybe April. So yeah, so it's been a little bit. So yeah, so 2020's kind of been like a lipo fire.
No, it would all burn.
So even though I haven't been filming, I've been into RC probably more this year than ever before. I can certainly tell you the trucks have not been shelf queens. They've all been getting run, tested, broken. Just haven't been filming. I've been pretty much hooked up with BackYard RCs in the backyard track. Just an incredible setup back there and so much fun. Really got me into the buggies this year. I have a Tekno EB48 2.0. This was totally rebuilt. I actually just got this done, and if you've been following my posts, you saw a couple shots of this. This is the same EB48 2.0 that was flattened in a mid-air collision.
On camera. Dude, yours is flattened completely. What the f? Dude, gone, dude. The whole rear end blew out. Look at the
So after that collision, this car was pretty banged up. I did get everything rebuilt, ran it for a few more months, and then went ahead, did a total strip down and rebuild. In the box here is a EB48.4. This thing has been completely disassembled. I'm actually getting it back together. This is gonna be a little bit more than I thought. I ended up with a few bent parts. Had a few drive shafts, the hinge pins for the arms bent. Got all that stuff coming in. So should get that pretty soon, but I did get the shocks rebuilt. So this one here, this is a EB48 2.0 from Tekno. This is a brand new buggy. I just got done building this one, and I will be painting this one, and maybe I'll do a video later on to show it off. And this pile of dirt here is the EB48.4. This is the other one I have. So I have two EB48.4s, two Tekno 2.0s, but this is my second EB48.4. Ran this thing last night, kind of muddy, so here we are, pretty dirty. As the year's gone on, we've had some challenges with the track. I say we, but mostly got to give it up to BackYard RCs, who does all the work to maintain that track. But we ended up having two pretty major storms throughout the summer. The one pretty much wiped the track out, the track was rebuilt, and then we got a second storm which wiped everything out. The creek behind me got pretty high, the track had a little creek or a little river flowing through the middle of it. Pretty ugly stuff. But I can say the track is probably better than ever. It's gone through a total redesign. I do need to get some updated shots, some aerial footage using the Mavic, and I need to just get some footage period for the channel. Need to start uploading some content. I do have a couple projects that I'll be working on kind of as we move forward. This Gravedigger, I am going to do a little work to this thing. I've been having a tough time keeping it together, but I will get this fixed up. And I certainly plan on getting back into some crawling. And as the weather starts to turn a little bit cooler, I may start getting into a little bit of indoor drifting, set up maybe something in the garage, and see what we can do. Pretty much would only need to clear out all this junk, and I could have a pretty good setup going. So I think really that's about all I got for right now. Really, this is the video that I'm hoping gets me back into filming on a regular basis, trying to figure out the frequency, trying to figure out what I want to post as far as content. I know in the past I used to shoot a lot of stuff. I think I posted almost every day at one point, and I think the videos were okay for the most part, but I was kind of rushing through them. I really want to work on production quality, really want to make the videos better for the viewer, for the subscribers. So I may not post as frequently, but hopefully when I do post, it's worth the wait.
No, it would all burn. That shit gonna blow up, or is it gonna fucking just stay? And now the cover wants to stay on for once. Look at that, dude.
Dude, fucking...
Don't buy the cheap batteries.
Jesus.
At least salvage the rest of it.
Jesus, man.
Fucking thing.
Dude, it took a